State your name for the record. Do you swear to tell the truth?
I don't give a fucking fuck!
Let us remember him in silence.
They owed me $20! I need my money back, damn it!
Do you take this woman to be your wife?
I do.
He's fucking lying! I saw his DM!
All right, let's settle down.
You got a license? And where were you headed?
To driving school, you want a carpool, idiot.
Oh, man!
How spicy you want it, Bert? You can even handle heat?
Man, I live with fucking humans. Spice ain't my problem.
So, do you have any experience, and why should we hire you?
Because I repeat everything my boss says. Faster and cheaper.